cheated, lied to, or tricked? She's tackling every opportunity to make something that went wrong right. Better Call Bacon is on your side.
Hurricane Ian left some in our area with minimal damage and others with catastrophic losses.
Well, either way, there is a lot of uncertainty about insurance coverage, how to file a claim, what to expect once you do. Our consumer reporter Shannon Benkin is here now to break down what you need to know.
Jen, Keith, I've covered the aftermath of storm damage for decades, and I can tell you it's important to get your claim in as quickly as possible.
Hurricane Ian ripped through Florida, leaving a wrath of destruction, from complete loss to crushed pool cages and roof damage. I've heard your questions about navigating the unsettling world of insurance claims. So I sat down with an expert, attorney Charles Gallagher, to get the answers and some good legal advice. Gallagher tells me no matter how severe the damage, get your insurance company on the phone or notify them online.
One of those terms, those post-loss obligations of the insurance policy, is that you notify your carrier. So if you think it's not severe or significant, I'd make that call anyways. Tell them what you see. I've got, some 2 or 3 shingles are off. I've got, a little bit of lanai damage. Let them make the call on whether they want to evaluate it. Plus, it's going to be nice to have the insurance carrier scope the loss for you and tell you the true extent of it.
In fact, he says if you don't inform them now, they could deny your claim later. For example, damage you assume isn't a big deal now could lead to mold later, and an insurance company could blame you for not reporting the claim in a timely manner. Also, make sure you take pictures of any damage and share that with your assigned adjuster. Keep in mind there are 3 types of policies that could kick in: traditional homeowners insurance, flood insurance, and FEMA emergency aid for those who don't have enough insurance, but funds are limited.
If you have a scenario where part of your roof is torn off by the hurricane and there's wind-driven rain coming in there, you'd have coverage under your homeowner's insurance policy. If it's a scenario of purely storm surge, purely flood, most homeowners policies do not cover that.
Does FEMA come in?
Potentially, yeah. FEMA has a program where you can go ahead and request assistance for repairs to your home, for lodging, things like that, even medical expenses. And potentially you might get benefits under FEMA. Yes, that's correct. But the ideal scenario would be that you had a homeowner's policy, you had a flood policy, and among the 2 of those, you'll have coverage for the loss.
Many people tell me that they're worried about getting dropped if you file a claim, but insurance experts tell me that that's not the case. When a hurricane rips through the state, your claim won't count against you. However, insurance premiums are already expected to jump next year as Florida's existing insurance crisis continues to worsen.
And we've been talking about it out here because we all have that little hurricane deductible that's out there.
Yeah.
And that supersedes everything, but still, it's a deductible. Does that mean you have to pay that up front? Or how does that work out?
Well, and people are concerned about that too. They don't have that money lying around. This is something a lot of people have been asking me about, but I have good news on that. Your deductible is typically deducted from your payout, so you don't have to pay that money up front. The hope is that you'll receive enough money to fully repair your property, but of course it depends on how much the damage is. If your damage is below that amount, then you do have to pay it all.
Right.
But if it's above that, and in some of these cases of catastrophic damage, it will be.
This is when you really start to figure it all out. You sign on the dotted line and you go, wait, now what? Now it just got real. Thank you, Shannon. If you have a problem that needs solving, you can call Benkin. There's the telephone number, 1-855-BENKIN, or you can reach her on Facebook. That's WFLA Shannon.